Hey y'all. Well, it's been a while, hasn't it? Um, my bestie went to Ghana for 23 months and she's come back and life be lifing. I the job that I loved, I lost because he sold the company, but the company that bought out his assets hired me and I had that job for 9 months. And then basically somebody from corporate came in and said, "You don't need two people to do this job." I was doing everything except for one part. So I got laid off. They couldn't fire me. No, they couldn't fire me. So I was unemployed. I've had surgery. Family members have been in and out of the hospital and whatnot. So it was kind of a blessing that I got laid off. And now I have another job and it is fabulous and I love it. So I'm trying to get back into YouTube, into videos because I enjoy doing them. Have a new laptop. Yay! So jump on this hot mess express with me and just see how life be lifing. Catch you later. Bye, y'all.